Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn about reselling in HighLevel. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the next thing on the list here down the line is reselling. We talked about this a little bit when I showed you sub-accounts and managing client sub-account where you can do this. But you can do this globally in the reselling area so that every time you go into a sub-account, it will be defaulted with the values you set here. So if you don't want to sell this for 79 but you want to sell it for 99, I can do that, hit save, and now when I go into my sub-accounts and I click on manage client, it will show that the price is defaulted to 99 instead of 79. And you can do that for the conversation AI. You can do it for Yext reselling, WhatsApp reselling, WordPress reselling, all of them. Resell Health Pro AI, which we talked about, the dedicated IP address setting, the QR code generator, the text tools, the Stripe for workflows, the Deadline Easy. So those are some of the things they have right now. Of course, they keep adding to this, so there'll be more and more things that you can offer your clients or customers and then mark up and make a little bit of profit on, or a whole lot of profit depending on how you want to do it, right? Completely up to you. So this is where you set all that up, and it's under the reselling menu item here on the left hand side. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.